Hey guys, this is Paul from Nihilo Concepts in Stuart, Florida. Today I want to talk about a hot new product. It's the Nihilo Concepts e-bike throttle housing protector. We all know that the heart of this little e-bike is the throttle housing, especially with the young riders. When they go down, one of the first things to break is the throttle housing. So we're looking for durability. The Nihilo Concepts e-bike throttle housing protector fits all the E2 KTM grouped motorcycles, E5 KTM grouped motorcycles, as well as the Start. Installation is super easy. These are the tools that we need. 8mm T-handle, T15 Torx, 3mm Allen, flush cut, small zip tie, and your Nihilo Concepts e-bike throttle housing protector. It takes a couple minutes, and I'll show you how it's done. First, you want to remove your front brake perch. Next, you want to relocate the plastic ring that connects the throttle tube with the throttle housing, simply by using your T15 Torx, loosening up the screw, and what you want to do is you want to spin it about 180 degrees up, just like that. Next, you want to cut a small zip tie that holds the wiring loom to the housing. Be careful not to cut the wires. And now you're ready to install your Nihilo Concepts e-bike throttle housing protector. Next, you separate the throttle protector and install it over the throttle housing. And make sure you're nice and snug. Now you want to reinstall a new zip tie around the wire harness and cut it with a flush cut. And the last step is to reinstall your front brake. So you just saw a quick installation on the E5. They're also available for the E2 and the Start. And they're readily available at nihiloconcepts.com. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.